Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll guide you through an easy method to fix your Harborstone Credit Union account access problems without any hassle. Welcome to our channel. If you've been having trouble accessing your Harborstone Credit Union account, don't worry. Here's a simple step-by-step method to get you back on track quickly and securely. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection, because a weak connection can cause login difficulties. Next, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Harborstone Credit Union website. Look carefully for the login section, typically located at the top right corner of the homepage. Now, if you've forgotten your username or password, click on the Forgot Username or Password link. This will direct you to a recovery page where you'll be prompted to enter your registered email address or your member ID. Follow the instructions sent to your email carefully. They usually include a verification code or a link to reset your password. Check your email inbox. And if you don't see the message in your main inbox, check your spam or junk folder. After receiving the reset instructions, use the link provided and create a new strong password that combines letters, numbers, and special characters for better security. Once your password is reset, return to the login page and enter your username and new password. If you still experience issues, verify that your account isn't locked due to multiple failed login attempts. If it is, you may need to wait a specified time or contact Harborstone Credit Union support directly, either through their official phone number or secure message center on their website. For additional security, Harborstone Credit Union might require multi-factor authentication, so be prepared to verify your identity with a text message code or an authentication app. Remember to keep your login credentials confidential and update your password regularly to maintain your account's safety. If you continue to face problems, don't hesitate. Reach out to Harborstone Credit Union customer service team for personalized assistance. They are there to help ensure you regain access as smoothly as possible. Thank you for trusting this easy guide, and we hope it helps you get your Harborstone Credit Union account access fixed quickly and stress-free.